I'm so great. This social environment is too much for me. I want to find a cliff.
Life is full of hope, Gray. Have you ever heard of the Jumpo Cave? This legendary cave is said to be where the famous pirate hid all his treasures.
Cave adventure and treasures? I'm gonna go.
Great! As you have come to Dragonback, one of the best hiking trails in Asia, you should pay a visit to the top first.
I'm at the top of Dragonback. Wow! Oh wait, the ground is shaking. Is there a reason this is called Dragonback? Where am I? This place is so beautiful.